Looking for investment property in the north? Welcome to Northwind Global City, the rising BGC in Bulacan. NGC is an 85-hectare township of Mega World na may concept na live, work, play, and learn. Kaya dito, magkakaroon ng condos, malls, international schools, offices, hotels, parks, at marami pang iba. Kung ano yung meron sa BGC, magkakaroon din dito sa NGC. At ngayon, for as low as 9,000 pesos per month with lump sum, magkakaroon ka na ng investment sa kauna-unahang condo dito sa NGC, which is 9 Central Park. 9 Central Park is a 23-story building na inspired sa New York. Kaya lahat ng units dito, aside from merong balcony, meron na ring bay windows. Ang ganda ng location kasi katapat lang ng commercial district na inspired naman sa Paris, France. And for the units available, meron kaming studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, twin flex unit, and 3 bedroom plus deck.
If you want to know more details, come join us in our open house this Saturday, September 21 at Puno Kitchen and Cafe in Santa Maria, Bulacan. Again, I am Charmaine, your Mega World Property Specialist. Send me a message today to RSVP.